everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf. In this episode, we're going to take a plunge into the world of self-care, and more specifically, how to make the most out of your winter baths. We'll be discussing the benefits of winter baths, the ingredients you can infuse them with, and finally, we'll share a DIY recipe for a hydrating milk and honey bath. So get comfortable, put on your favorite cozy socks, let's get started. First off, let's talk about the benefits of winter baths. The cold air and indoor heating can make our skin dry and flaky, but a warm bath can hydrate and lock the moisture in. If you're experiencing muscle tension and joint stiffness, which are quite common in the winter, a warm soak can help with that too. The warmth promotes circulation and soothes the aches and discomfort. Beyond the physical benefits, bathing can also have a profound impact on your mental health. With all the seasonal changes, it can be stressful. But stepping into a warm bath allows you to slow down, release tension, and rejuvenate your spirit. It's a ritual of relaxation. And guess what? You can make this experience even more magical by adding essential oils or herbs. These natural treasures boost your mood and relaxation. Baths are also great for detoxing the skin. The warm water opens up your pores, helping to cleanse your skin of impurities. Salts and clays can aid this process, drawing out toxins while delivering essential minerals to your skin. Lastly, a well-timed bath can actually help you snooze better. Doing a relaxing bath before bed regulates your body temperature and signals your brain that it's time to wind down, supporting deeper and more restorative sleep. Now let's jump into a list of ingredients you can add to your winter baths to make the experience even more worthwhile. Firstly, let's consider milk. An ancient beauty secret, milk baths can promote soft, hydrated skin. Lactic acid in milk gently exfoliates and brightens your skin, and the fats provide deep hydration. For our dairy-free listeners, you can use coconut milk or oat milk as alternatives. Secondly, consider adding Epsom salt or Dead Sea salt. They help relax muscles and detoxify your skin, and even offer additional minerals. Next up is oats. Ground oats can soothe irritated, dry, or itchy skin. They form a protective barrier that locks in moisture while reducing inflammation. You could also add honey, which is a humectant that draws moisture into the skin, leaving it soft and glowing. It's also great if you have a breakout or irritation because of its antibacterial properties. Then, there are essential oils like lavender, which calms the mind and soothes the skin, frankincense that supports skin healing and hydration, and rose and chamomile for a luxurious aroma and relaxation. In addition, you can infuse your bath with dried herbs or flowers, like rose petals to hydrate the skin, calendula to heal dry skin, or chamomile flowers to calm redness and irritation. For deep hydration, consider adding nourishing oils like jojoba, almond, or coconut oil to your bath. For an extra luxurious touch, mix in melted shea or cocoa butter. Finally, bentonite or kaolin clay can detoxify and clarify the skin. A small scoop mixed into your bath water can make a big difference for tired winter skin. Now, here's a DIY recipe for a hydrating milk and honey bath soak. You'll need 1 cup of powdered milk, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1/2 cup of ground oats, and 10 drops of lavender or chamomile essential oil. Mix these ingredients into your bath water. Stir well and soak for 20 minutes to enjoy soft, hydrated, and glowing skin. Remember, winter is a time to embrace self-care rituals. For those who want to delve deeper into winter skincare and self-care rituals, we have an upcoming workshop, Radiance and Ritual, Skincare, Self-Care, and Seasonal Renewal. You'll get to create winter skincare routines, explore self-care rituals, and even learn about journaling practices to nourish both your body and spirit. Check the show notes for more details. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf. I hope this episode has inspired you to make the most of your winter bathing rituals. Before we sign off, I would love to hear about your favorite winter bath ingredient. Please send us a message and let's make this winter your most radiant season yet.